All right, stop chasing new clients. Seriously, the endless hunt for leads is the #1 reason why videographers burn out. I built my entire 6-figure business with just 5 corporate clients. And in this video, I'm going to break down the exact system I used to turn that handful of clients into a stable, predictable income so you can stop hunting and start growing. For years, I was stuck in what I call the freelancer hamster wheel. 1 month, you're slammed working 60 hours a week, buried in edits and feeling on top of the world. The next, you're staring at an empty calendar, desperately sending cold emails and wondering how you're going to make rent. It's called the feast or famine cycle, and it's exhausting. I loved making videos, but the anxiety of hunting for the next project was absolutely killing my creativity. I thought scaling meant more clients, bigger clients, an endless stream of new leads. I wasted a ton of money on ads and hundreds of hours at networking events that went nowhere. But then one day I looked at my numbers and I realized that 80% of my income was coming from just a handful of repeat corporate clients. These were the clients who already trusted me and came back to me again and again. That was the light bulb moment. What if I stopped chasing dozens of new leads, instead went all in on the clients I already had? What if I could turn those few good relationships into a fortress of predictable recurring revenue? It wasn't about finding more work, it was about creating more value. And that shift in mindset is what turned me from a videographer into a business owner. Today, I'm giving you the entire blueprint. The secret wasn't just some fancy sales funnel or a viral social media strategy. It was a simple, repeatable system I developed called the Reliability and Communication Framework. This isn't about being a creative genius, it's about being the most dependable, proactive, and easy to work with partner your client has ever had. Corporate clients value predictability and low friction above almost everything else. Your job is to make their job easier. This framework is built on 3 pillars: the proactive communication calendar, the value add upsell, and the wow delivery process. Master these 3 and you'll become irreplaceable. Step 1, the proactive communication calendar. All right, pillar number 1, most videographers are reactive. They wait for the clients to email, wait for an update request, and wait for an approval. This creates uncertainty and anxiety for the client. The proactive communication calendar flips that script. It's a system for managing expectations and building unshakable trust. Here's how it works. The moment a project is greenlit, you map out the entire project, timeline, and schedule for every single touch point in advance. First, a kickoff call confirmation. Immediately after they sign, they get a calendar invite for the strategy call with a pre-call questionnaire. This shows you're organized from minute 1. Second, a post-strategy summary email. Within hours of your kickoff call, you send a detailed email summarizing everything: the project goals, key messages, deliverables, and the exact dates they can expect to hear from you. This becomes your project Bible and eliminates scope creep down the line. Setting clear expectation is one of the most powerful retention tools you have. Third, schedule weekly updates. Put a recurring Friday update email in the calendar. Even if the update is no new updates, everything is on track for the next week's shoot. You are proactively managing their peace of mind. They never have to wonder what's going on. Fourth, a first draft delivery walkthrough. Instead of sending a link with thoughts, you schedule a 20-minute call to present the video. You walk them through your entire creative choices, tying them back to the initial goals. This frames you as a strategic partner, not just a hired editor. By systemizing your communication, you remove all friction. For a busy marketing manager, that feeling of safety is worth more than 10% discount from your competitor. They will never want to go through a hassle of vetting another videographer again. Step 2, the value-added upsell. Pillar number 2 is where you go from a one-off freelancer to a long-term partner. The worst thing most videographers do is finish the project, send the invoice, and say, "Let me know if you have anything else." This puts the burden back on the client to invent a new reason to hire you. The value add upsell is about proactively identifying and pitching the next project before the current one even ends. This isn't about being a pushy salesperson, it's about being a problem finder. It starts during the first kickoff call. You have to ask bigger questions than what kind of video do you want? Ask for things like, what is the number one business goal you're trying to achieve this quarter? Beyond this launch video, what does your content plan look like for the next 6 months? What's the biggest challenge your sales team is facing that video could help with? Their answers are pure gold. They are literally telling you what they will need to buy in the future. Now you use that info to plant the seeds. In an update email, you might even say, as we're working on the brand story video, I had an idea. The interview with your CEO was powerful. We could easily pull 3 short clips for social media to support the main launch. Just a thought for later. You're adding value and showing you're thinking about their success beyond this one video. You're moving from camera operator to strategic consultant. Then comes the pitch. As you're nearing the final delivery, you request a project debrief and future planning call. On this call, you review the project successfully and then present the solution for the next problem. This is where you introduce a retainer. You can frame it like this. Based on our conversations, I see a few ways we can keep supporting your goals. We could do another one-off project, or we could create a package of 3 testimonial videos. But honestly, given your goal to consistently generate leads, what might make more sense is a simple monthly retainer. For a set fee, we'd produce 2 short form videos for you every single month. This gives you the content consistency and predictability budgeting. By presenting as a solution, a retainer becomes the logical option, not a salesy upsell. This is how you turn a single 5,000 project into a 24,000 a year client. Now I know that crafting those emails, the summary, the updates, the retainer pitch can help, but it's tough. To help you, I put together a downloadable pack of exact email templates I used. It includes the post strategy summary, the weekly update format, and the exact script I use to pitch a retainer. It's completely free and you can grab it at the link in the description below. All right, step 3, the wow delivery process. All right, the final pillar is the delivery. Most videographers think the job is done when they send the final file, but the final interaction is one of the most important for securing loyalty and referrals. You need to leave them with a wow feeling. First, your final delivery is a neatly organized package. We use a dedicated Dropbox or Google Drive folder for each project. It clearly labels and includes everything. The final video in all formats, 4K 1080 vertical, project files, stills, and transcripts. This hyper-organized handoff makes their life easy and reinforces that you are a true professional. Second, your final email delivery isn't an ending, it's an opening. Instead of, here are your files, my email says something like this. It was a pleasure partnering with you on this project. Everything you need is in the folder linked below. I'm genuinely excited to see the results this video drives for you. I'll check back in about a month to see how it's performing. I'm here to support you. This does 3 things. It reaffirms you're a partner, shows you care about the results, and sets expectations for a follow-up. Finally, the follow-up. 4 to 6 weeks later, you send that check-in email you promised. Hi, just wanted to follow up to see how the launch video has been performing. This no pressure touchpoint shows you're committed to their success and often leads directly to the next project. All right, so that's a system. It's not rocket science. It's a simple framework built on 3 ideas: proactive communication, strategic upselling, and a flawless delivery process. By implementing the proactive communication calendar, you build trust. By using the value add upsell, you become a strategic partner and create reoccurring revenue. And with a wow delivery process, you ensure clients' loyalty. The biggest shift is from hunting to farming. Stop spending all your energy trying to attract strangers and start delighting the clients who already trust you. It's cheaper, more profitable, and it's the fastest path to a stable 6-figure business without the burnout. You don't need 100 clients. You just need a handful of great ones. If you got value with this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell, and drop a comment below letting me know the biggest challenge you face with client retention. I read and respond to every single one. Now watch this next video to really elevate your business.